And this is Marybeth's beautiful hawk-head parrot again. And this time, Rissa's going to give it the loving.
Scrunches.
The scrunches.
Say hi,
Say hi, Marybeth. I'm coming home soon.
Hi, Mommy.
Say hi.
Beautiful thing.
Hey, he looks a little different too.
Hey,
Beautiful. Just beautiful animal. Completely beautiful. I don't think he likes the camera. Pull him back towards you a little bit.
Hey, you.
That's okay. As long as it's clean. As long as there's nothing in it.
Hey, you.
Talk to him.
Hey, you. You pretty bird. Hi, I see you. Hello. Hello. They all love the hair.
Yes. Nesting material.
Oh. You done both of us?
Absolutely beautiful.
Pretty bird.
I want one of these birds now so bad. I love the tips of the feathers where they're black. And the whole crest. It's just beautiful. Beautiful bird. Oh, absolutely adorable. Absolutely.
Come on, make a pop.
Oh, Marybeth, this is such a great bird. You're so lucky. I'm so jealous. I want one of these.
Make your fluffies.
As soon as we move, we're going to get one of these. Look at that. So aware. I mean, it really is like a hawk parrot. I mean, it's really strange.
Hello. Hello.
Buddy? Buddy?
Hello.
See, he won't do it for me. Too many strangers. But it's good socialization. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Bird. You're so cute.
Definitely on my list of birds that I would love to have. Look at the tail. Look at the plumage. It spreads out. Just beautiful. Alright, Marybeth, that's a little bit longer of a video. Don't let it get that juice. Come on. There you go. He just wanted up. Come on. Step up. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Alrighty. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
They always go right for the glasses.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Marybeth. I'll see you soon, Mom. I'll see you soon, Mommy. Look at it. I just love the colors in the front of the chest. I'm going to try to get a macro shot. This is a macro shot. It doesn't look a lot different probably, but I'm going to try to get the color in the front of the chest. Look at that. Beautiful color. Just absolutely beautiful, Marybeth. Definitely on my list of beautiful birds. I just love the spread of the tail. Bye-bye, baby. Say bye-bye. All right, Marybeth, there's another video for you, hon. Bye-bye.